Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, got a brand new video coming at you, and I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can get free PS4 games on your PlayStation. Very simple tutorial. I did a past tutorial on how to license transfer. This is the same solution, and it's a workaround to get free PS4 games. Now, just to be clear, this is all digital games, not disc. You need digital games to transfer from one friend to the other. So in this tutorial, we're going to be doing game sharing on PS4 in order to get the games for absolutely free. So you want to go to Settings, Account Management, and you want to click Activate as your primary PS4. For you, you're going to click Deactivate, and then it's going to bring up all this information here. You can read through that, blah, blah, blah. You want to click Yes. I'm not going to click Yes just in this tutorial because it's my account. I'm not going to deactivate it. You're going to click Yes. Your buddy who you're game sharing with is going to click Deactivate on their account. Once they do that, once you've deactivated and they've deactivated, they send you their login information for their PlayStation account. You go log in on their said account. You go into Activate as your primary PS4, again in Settings, when logged into their account, and you click Activate as my primary PS4. From there, go into their library, as you can see on screen here. Once you're logged into their account and you've activated their primary PS4, just go click any game you want. You're going to hit the options menu, and there's going to be a little install option there. It's not on here because I'm signed in my own account. So click install, download it. Once it starts downloading, you can sign back into your account, activate yours again, and you can just go from there. The game will be downloaded on your system. It'll be digital downloaded, and you'll be all set to go.